Greetings, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Life Show. I'm your girl, Delica Brownras, Dragon All Star in the Wheels of Steel, Breads, DJ Rick, FireQ, Mad One, anywhere in the world, my brother, then big up on himself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by the Granaries, located at 6 Overton's Yard, over there in Croydon. That's where you go for all your weekly events. So stick and stay to the Instagram page for more details on that. Yazid. Wagwan for you and the talk phone there. You okay over there?
We are talking.
That one there.
I like things in my face.
Okay. How are you both? How was you? How were your weekends? What have you guys been up to? It's Tuesday.
What did that weekend again?
I don't know. What did you do?
Mine was simple. Bedrock and pillow.
You know me, I
Pillow Jam. Bedrock and Pillow Jam was a very. I think that was the order of this weekend for me.
That weekend, you know, look at work, you know. Don't go one place, don't go one party, you know. As usual, take it corporate. But otherwise from that, I didn't do nothing, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like me I save up because money for
Chippings.
Easter.
Easter
You know,
and summer.
Look like hard life I take me from what there. I can't afford the drinking a bit again. Me have to go from the corner shop to my sitting room.
Well, the way go right now, you have to be careful of the road and the people them know what the drinks, brother. So.
I wonder what's happening in the streets, my G. Talk to us about what is happening.
Oh, we talked about this already, but we're going to talk about it again.
Yes, let's talk about it.
You know, so when me talk, them not listen to me, I'm telling them from what they say, I suffer. You know, me buy me link stomach kid and me borrow the big something with the big turban.
That you say.
Careful.
And me wrap up me and 2 pence. You don't know the other shops go. Because when me telling about the thing, cause people remember a long time I warned about the fake alcoholic beverage them we are going.
Yeah, we had a conversation about it. And Mr. Brown visited us via
by the Zion phone.
By the Zion phone, yes.
No, me say one brother, him drink a little bit of rum, and him say after him drink a little bit of rum, 2 days later him wake up in a hospital, say he was in a coma.
We can call name because it's a public voice note. So
Crazy Head Aquarius,
Crazy Head from Aquarius. So
no, make we use allegedly.
It cannot be allegedly if we're listening to Crazy Head
because
voice.
I remember Crazy Head say it, you know.
Yes,
so, you know, must be. But 100%.
No,
accurate.
hold on. I'm gonna stop you because this is Crazy Head giving his experience. So it's not allegedly. This is his experience. I will have to take it as that is his experience.
That's big up.
I never breads that tell we say, oh, you know, say Crazy Head wake up in the hospital. We literally heard Crazy in a voice note giving his excuse you don't know Crazy Head? The Aquarius sound boss?
Oh, the Aquarius sound.
Anyways,
I'm joking.
yeah, everything is sorted.
Yeah.
So we heard a voice note that forwarded out with Crazy, giving his experience of drinking the white rum. He was warning people off not having. His words were, "Let us boycott white rum."
People see there.
Those were.
Oh no, look here now. See me.
Those
me
were
no
his.
From what year?
Yeah, drink man.
Well, I know. Pirate we are drink.
No, why,
What?
dog?
Pirate.
Why?
Pirate is not a man or a woman.
But
So what
it
then?
literally
Pirate
has a man on the
is
bottle,
a robber. This is Captain Morgan.
which is a man's.
And we are
picture.
drink pirate.
No, you're
Pirate is a
drinking-
word.
You're drinking.
It can be
Captain
pirate dish.
Alright.
It's not this though.
Pirate.
That me I tell you.
You sure just not say the
But
name?
a brown alcohol we are drink. Yo, just
Yeah,
easy
Mr.
no
Mr. Brown, I'll call you a drink.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Who?
A brown. Let's say I'm brown.
Back on track with the conversation. So
Yeah, why
yeah,
I
so
get
he was imploring people to boycott white rum and more specifically the Wray and Nephew. And more we're seeing other people forward out with it. Michibu also forwarded out on a live sometime last week, sharing her experience. She was very, very ill to the point that she ended up in the hospital. Her tummy got swollen to the point where it appeared that she was 9 months pregnant. And this was her Instagram live, so it's not here. And I hear like
Still
somebody
still big
tell
up.
me, right? We're hearing this from people themselves. And then now we have seen a video. Uncle Ives, if you want to
Cue the video.
cue your So, I don't know why.
You know,
If you want to forward over this side,
I told
Uncle
you,
Ive,
Ras.
come show the video, but before let me big up some people. Big up Dre Motion, I don't know. See my
yes,
Rocky shirt.
for the merch.
Big up Dre Motion for the free shirt, I don't know.
You could have pressed your shirt, though,
That
bro.
me a talk about Dre Motion more about you know, cause you don't know your shirt alone now fly.
Right.
You want to look at just match with the thing.
Big up to
So
J
big up
Motion.
Dre Motion. People and here wanna if you want to look at merch print, just see them little color. I remember I used to forward up and some after that.
Jump in the DM. So
You
we're going to
can-
show the
yeah,
video.
Do the right thing.
You ready for us, Uncle Eyes? We're going to show the video of, and this, Reds, you want to talk to us a little bit more about this video?
Oh, it's about
The-
it's about the white rum and the seas of
Right, so where's this video forwarding from?
Jamaica.
Right, and we're seeing that. Give the people
Oh,
some insight
them
on
must
the
see
video,
the,
sir.
basically them do a raid and run in on a workshop and catch some man at make some fake rum with a proper setup and all them something. they
Okay,
do.
so that is what we're going to have a look at now. Uncle Ives, you can play the video for us, please.
So yeah, until the video play. Remember before they was saying the rum them the Wray Nephew was being bottled over here by Fear, but we get to understand that even the rum from Jamaica that people go down there and buy, some of them that's coming over is also fake.
Right.
So yeah. So the fake rum they all about. But anyway, Uncle Ive, play that video there. See what I go on. Play it. Is that play?
Appreciated. So, yo, people, a joint police military team arrested 8 men during a targeted operation on Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine on Monday, February 7th. Reports are that between the hours of 5 a.m. and 8:30 a.m., a team of police and military personnel entered a premises where they uncovered an illegal bottling operation with counterfeit liquor. The team discovered hundreds of bottles, labels of popular local liquor brands, a bottling machine, and several cases of raw material. 8 men were found at the premises and were taken into custody. The team also seized approximately Jamaican dollars, 280,000, wow, in cash. As the investigations continue, citizens are being warned to take precautions and examine the labels and packages when making purchases. So people, can you imagine these man make fake rum? Like, me always hear them say counterfeit rum, and I'm like, what do they mean by counterfeit rum? So these people have a little thing, a setup where I go on where they make them own rum and a bottle it and everything in a people.
Yeah, so the fake rum situation. So we just realized that it's out there prevalent. Like we know a long time since some of the time in Jamaica. Sometimes some fake rum used to go on where them say the rum them young, which is fake rum. But now the fake rum them a make to a poorer standard.
But funny enough, when we were doing some research on this in 2022, which was last year, February 2022, we saw a headline forwarding out saying that Wray Nephew were aware of possible counterfeit alcohol. So this is now a year later, and it is like it there.
No, because
It is
a
here.
a year ago, nobody then get sick. And when they get sick in our first world country,
It don't mean nothing.
no, in our first world country,
That we time mash up Jamaica too.
no, but that may I say, in Jamaica is Jamaica. When it happen in our first world country, then all of a sudden, they can kick off door and catch people up.
But Wray Nephew then forwarded out saying that there's no fake rum in Jamaica. They published this photo. Uncle Ivan, can you put the photo up for us, please? To say Wray Nephew Limited is aware of reports on social media which claims that counterfeit bottles of the product may be in circulation in the United Kingdom. Wray Nephew's products are created in compliance with strict health and safety requirements, and therefore encourage consumers to buy from reputable sources and to always look for the red tamper evident safety seal. One mark of the authentic Wray Nephew, which should make a crick? Them say crick, we say click zone, and break into several pieces when opened.
So
And before we dissect that, I could just finish off with it. So basically, they're saying that there are no confirmed reports of inauthentic Wray Nephew rum in Jamaica.
Oh, them so wicked. So now one video watch where them and them
Right.
from.
I bet they didn't load that part though.
Right.
But anyway, you know what me just I realize say, you know say me I drink rum over 15 years. Me I drink Wray Nephew rum. I just I realize say, you know the little seal with the red thing around it. I just I realize say, if you broke in several pieces.
Yes.
So if you get one and you come off of your back, well, that
In a
means your
one.
rum not good.
It's a counterfeit
Yeah,
rum.
it you can see this little thin slit.
No, but
Yeah.
sometimes you open them, it don't go in several pieces. It just
It
come
just
off
go in.
whole. Just like if you buy one Pepsi
Yeah.
and the thing come off
The
on the
seal.
cork. So
True.
they are making
bottle.
they are
Yeah,
making
yeah.
problem for themselves in that, but there are fake rum going around because obviously somebody crack the code and say I saw if you make it and it smell the same and it tastes similar.
You fix this.
But I mean, what is this? How does diesel forward into the picture?
So me and man I said diesel, like I think that's just nonsense because remember diesel have a oily. Diesel is very
Texture.
oily.
Why I think them probably extract what out tight. Remember saying that everything have a they
Got
have the
the
machine.
process,
They have the
yeah,
machine, so they use the diesel as the support where them can't get from Marianne. So the diesel just there and then process so them process out tight and use it for build up where the original part there.
Where you take what I diesel now?
But we have to ask the person to do it, bro.
Brother,
Seem like how when they make the rum,
Brett,
yeah.
Brett, think about it, no? Think about it. You're not gonna extract diesel to take out something for separate it for make rum. Because it will cost you more. So imagine say if you buy a bottle of diesel, see? And say it's not gonna be half and half, it will be anything you extract gonna be probably a quarter. So you're gonna end up lose. If you put quarter one buckle of diesel for turn a rum, that means you're losing. It's not profitable.
No, I just say them crack the
And
code.
them can't mix diesel with rum to drink because it's gonna have oil residue.
No, but you joke, no?
And diesel not clear, you know.
But you gotta remember, you know, if the man have a factory where them have a make a factory and them get enough equipment, close enough to where them a do, so them know where them a do. So obviously it's not just a regular youth off of the street that say, yo, me I gotta do this. Probably is a member where did I work for them and know the ships and them can't get the bulk where them needed that same get where them can get, use the rest for strain it. Just like when
Let
them
me ask you why the public this.
just like you put baking soda, you see me?
Is there a possibility that somebody is distilling rum but not doing it properly? Because we all know our rum distill, right? Is it a possibility that somebody is doing it but they are not going through the full process? So they are doing it premature, so because of that, ready properly, so it has sick people. Can it be that?
That and whatever them others me say.
But the process will take a really long time.
Probably these
And it isn't cost effective. It is very, very expensive.
To be
it's
honest,
not-
my understanding of distillery work is like a boiling process, and when the vapor them cool down, it drip and trickle down, and that's the alcoholic content
Yeah, but
we farm
But
out of the
that's what
cane
I'm
juice. You
saying.
get what I'm saying?
So probably the man in the diesel for fast track something. You don't know why. We don't know why them use it.
Why you use these for fast track breaks?
May not know. So we just gonna speculate and see what I say. The man that make them rum if make.
So you hear a
Probably-
man say diesel,
No,
and the man, hold on, then me hear one person say diesel mixing a their rum, say diesel them putting it. And it's not a reputable source when me say, yeah, him have the farmer expertise in that field. I'm not stupid. If I mix diesel and rum, it's gonna be oil. If I mix oil and water, you're gonna see the difference.
yep. 'cause one's at the
And
bottom
you
one's at the top.
cannot
I'm asking a
mix
question.
diesel in a rum, and it's gonna smell and taste different.
I'm asking a question.
Shall we put some questions to the public?
Well,
Can we? I mean, if you're interested in joining the conversation, the number is on the screen: 079 444 72282. Give us a call and share your thoughts with us.
If I drink
Alright.
diesel, would have
Alright.
taken a long time.
I watch it. Yeah. All right. Them say them put these in it,
Yeah.
yeah. And then eventually we get sitting out. We don't know say them man do this from a long time. I just the batch where they make, and they probably misproportion it.
But a lot of
Let's-
people on the
no,
live are disagreeing
No,
with you.
no, people can't talk them
But
and
it's a
say.
fuckery attack.
No, because watch it, yeah,
as
it-
well as Dragon.
it's not just where them just start do it. So obviously them a do it for a minute because they want make money.
A fuckery attack.
So probably this time the man will mix it, just fall asleep or chat to a girl and just do the wrong mixing.
Bad man,
Dragon, Dragon.
Wait, one at a time.
Dragon,
One at a
everybody
time,
probably
please.
have about your chick. Them never answer either. Everybody speculate. So we're speculating our own opinion.
Or
Until,
you're speculating your own
Bob,
opinion.
all right, if you ask them why are these involved, them can't tell you that.
Your
So
speculation far off. Nobody knows say
you
involved.
don't know if you're near or not because them said them use
Right.
these the cow.
Do you
Let me
Wait,
understand
wait,
the
hold
process?
on, hold on.
Let me finish.
Oh, sorry, let him finish this point, please.
Mitchie Boo said she gets poisoned under this situation, right? Yeah,
It's the rum, fake rum.
yeah, with this
situation.
situation, yeah.
Yeah.
She said a diesel.
She said fake rum. She
Bro,
said the Wray
But watch
Nephew.
your life,
She
bro.
said a diesel.
Yes, she said them I put these night. She said that. So I'm talking now, bro.
Is
yeah?
Michibu a scientist?
Bro, this is none of it a science. That's the whole point I'm trying to make. People are speculating of what it is, yeah? Them say these and say these. You don't know what the man them use it for do. We're gonna say this and say that. Until one of them say, why you use it for? You find, oh shit, I really like that one.
Let me
You
answer.
don't know, bro.
Wait.
You gonna say what you say. Me I say. The live I say them I say. But nobody don't really know why. Because there's no definitive answer to say, yo, that's the reason why. It's
Me
simple
have
as
a
that.
definitive answer why there's no diesel in it. Ram just elaborate further on it.
Bro, before you talk, you're gonna say,
No,
already.
don't speculate
Do you
what
want
he's
me to
gonna say.
elaborate?
No,
Let him
ask
make
me a
his
question,
point.
man.
Yeah, me
Where-
not asking a question.
Where you gonna ask me a question, yeah? I'm gonna say something away. Yeah, go back to what
Birds,
forth, yeah.
all right,
Yeah.
you've made your point. Let All Star make his point. Go ahead, All Star.
So, do you know all the process? Me ask you a
just
question,
said
a
he's gonna say
rhetorical
that.
question.
I just
but
said he's gonna say that.
Then me ask a question. All right, the process of
go
rum,
ahead.
all the process, because I know all rum make, and the process of them use make
Or
rum.
make.
Badman is a distillery where them put yeast and other flavors, depends what type of rum you make it, yeah?
Molasses.
No,
Molasses
and the
is
cane make molasses. Where you be about molasses now? Yeah,
I'm
idiot.
just saying.
You two,
What kind
yeah.
of molasses you put in there when I that
No,
farm molasses?
apartheid,
Are,
yeah.
are you mad? Most
Birds-
molasses are the byproduct of
and
it.
the
Birds
sugar.
and All Star.
They don't put molasses.
Right? Can
Sugar
you
in a cane, so stop it talking. Yeah,
No.
yeah, boy, I can't argue
No,
with
no.
you.
Birds and All Star?
But go on, so yeah, say.
Birds and All Star.
You
Let's-
want?
Alright, so- no, hold on.
Ras.
No,
Can I
I'm gonna
put
stop
the
you.
ingredients for the
I'm
rum?
gonna
I heard
stop
them
you.
say the
I'm
same.
gonna stop you. Dragon, can you finish your point, please?
All right, so hold on there. So
Hold on. Shame I never said it was diesel.
Birds, can you allow Dragon to finish his point, please? Go ahead, All Star.
so the yeast now, birds. You see the cane juice?
Right.
The yeast make it fermentate. You ever eat piece of old cane, like cane where you have a Jamaica long time, and you see little red bit tonight, and it is rummy? That means it start to fermentate. That means it start to form rum. So the yeast speed up the fermentation process. That's why when you go any distillery and you look in a distill, when them have open, you see it a bubble because the yeast at work break down the sugar molecules and the sugar particles
Particles,
in the mixture. So out of that now them boil it. See?
Right.
To take out the impurity out of it. So that separate the rum, the alcohol, the content from the byproducts in. So the alcohol quick to turn a vapor. So when it turn vapor, it go up to the tube them and drip out. It's steam cool. So it cool and drip. Trickle down and that you get the rum.
So that's the process.
See? That's the process of it.
Right.
Then you have a byproduct out of it. Now you have the molasses, the thick every bit were left, and you have a sugar bit and all of that. That's why rum or have the little sweet bit to it, but it now have the physical sugar content in it.
Right. So make your point. No, Birds. Hold on. Make your point as to why you disagree with Birds.
Why I disagree with breads? Because anything you put diesel in, because true I know diesel. Diesel is very oily.
Right.
Seen? And
Yes,
diesel
oily.
is hold on, brother. Let me finish. Diesel is oily and diesel have a distinctive smell. And if you mix rum and diesel, you ever try mix water and diesel?
Or water and oil.
Or water and oil and see?
Mix water and fire.
You cannot mix water and oil together perfectly. The oil always gonna have bubbles and impairment in it, so you're gonna clearly see the oil in the water. So all you're gonna mix rum and diesel.
All right.
So you two
together, and
are
you know
going to
some-
have differences of opinions on the topic.
But
No.
wait, okay. What him just say was technically relevant because I said when talk about all the professional them do it, I'm saying these men on the corner on one place on one part.
Right.
Use these as them say fit a reason. We don't know. Me I say them use it for
I must say diesel catch fire
It's
for
not-
boil the rum.
them use it for put something. We don't know why.
Right.
I just said the man them use that for whatever them use. Me don't know. So me I say I'm just speculating them put it in for where them can get from a professional them. Cause the man that the originator of the rum. So them know them are do. Them have the factory everything.
So
Them
basically,
man are done. So put it use it for his fast track. So me don't know. That's all I'm saying. But Dragon follow with him subject in a class where I don't know where it come from.
Back
But
at the class,
can I tell you
non
that
subject.
on the live, if I don't know if you're paying attention to the comment, majority of the people who are on the live, shout out to everybody that is on our Instagram live, Facebook live, as well as TGM Radio UK app. They're disagreeing with your point,
Alright.
and they're agreeing with Dragon.
All right,
And
answer this. When you answer this, yeah?
me, no.
No, them to answer this.
Well, pose the question to the people.
The story said, them catch him on them with money, stuff for make rum, and diesel.
Did you see Diesel in it? You just watch a video a while ago.
Bro,
Did you see Diesel?
What's the video that side screen?
Did you see Diesel? Are you some other chemical in one bottle?
Bro, it's not C. It's what the report said.
Did you see Diesel?
Let's finish. Let me stop. If you go up on JDF website, I will get article for him. Say at the end of the video.
So what you're
let him
I watched
finish
all
his
the
point.
video. Him credit the video said I didn't get it from me. The police
Right.
them put a statement out there.
Right.
Them say a diesel and the rest of the stuff, right? You see me? Forget the video where you
Rasta,
say,
look for the article, please.
bro, if you listen to the whole video, the man
No.
tell you.
Right, just
He
finish your
read,
point.
bro, stop being stupid. He read it off of the article on a slide screen.
Right.
And when him get, that's why I keep go back and forth, yeah? So when him read them put a black and white. That's why these will come up tonight. And him say it, the vice not even say it as well, bro.
All right.
So what I'm trying to say to this here, when my youth, when they're making these alcoholic beverages there, there's nothing they put in it where by itself it might be hazardous to us, yeah? But them know if you extract properly, to get it done for where it reach, you see me?
Okay.
That's why they call shit spirit as well, because, and they're flammable too, most of them. So, them know them do, but a man who don't know him I do.
That's why I call spirit.
Anyway, a man him know him I do, yeah? Yeah? Him a go, do it the way where him think to a point where him say, oh, me can't get the ingredient here. What are the substitute feed? Me don't know how this is falling to play, but that is falling to play about though, you see me? So who can never talk about me wrong? Make them father explain why the diesel involved.
We're gonna take a call, so just give us a second.
Mystic.
We don't know if it's his mystic. Good evening, caller, and welcome to.
It's not mystic, it's sham.
Good evening, sis. How are you?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Lovely to have you on this episode with us.
Yes, thank you. It's a pleasure.
No problem. Share your thoughts with us, please.
So I was agreeing with Dragon, which is not often the case.
True. That's very true.
Big up yourself, Dragon.
Big up, Shem. Big up.
But what I was trying to say to Breads is the problem with what you're saying is that you're running with this narrative. When I said, oh, stop saying diesel, why do you keep saying diesel? I'm not saying you specifically as the one who started saying diesel. Obviously, people have started this narrative saying
In
it's
general.
diesel. In general, but there's been nothing official stating that there's been any diesel in the rum. Nothing officially has been said. So my argument is, why are we running with this narrative? We all we know for fact is that there
Something is in there. Yeah.
Yeah, that there's dirty rum
All
going
right,
around.
can I answer?
So why are you trying to
No,
like?
let me answer you then.
Let her finish her point. Go ahead,
Nancy.
Why are
Jen.
you trying to fixate on this diesel narrative and then trying to formulate? Because you're saying you're just speculating, but everybody's already speculating. We don't need to speculate with something that isn't even official.
All right,
You get what I'm saying?
we carry.
Stay on the line,
Voilà.
Jen, because
We
we're going to have
carry-
a quick chat before you go,
We're
yeah?
carrying the news that
Alright, go.
we're carrying the news as how it was presented. So me not deviate from what was written or was recorded. The umbrella, so the first voice note, the man said that to him say a diesel in him system, yeah.
The man said
Le-
that,
le-
you haven't got to.
Bro,
you
listen,
haven't
listen,
got to
listen,
talk to
listen.
Military report or
Listen, yeah. We are go by our ear. 'Cause if you never come out and say that from the first voice note there, Michibu hospital and come back and say the same thing. Other person are saying, well, yeah, hospital, I say, even when I comment, I say, yo, yeah, Ray. I am not saying them put these in there, but me I say, I want me, I get to read, listen and hear, come off a official website, the police website.
That's not official website.
No,
though. That's
see,
from
you don't
people.
listen. If you listen to the full video, which it wasn't played, the man credited where him get the sources from. This is what when I try to, if we play the whole 3 minutes, on the ear. I mean,
What was that? Sorry. What was that?
the full 3 minute video, him tell where him get the story from. Him read half of one article from where go where police statement. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, say, yeah. It mention of these.
Yeah.
You're not.
Again,
If you don't believe me, you
again,
can go. You can. But let me finish,
It's
please.
nothing to do with that.
No,
though,
but you
again,
don't know nothing to do because why would they mention? They never say them is diesel and cook it. They must say it.
People have been mentioning diesel.
A lot of
Nobody
people.
official
Alright.
has come forward and
Alright,
said diesel.
alright,
So
alright.
when I'm saying you are actually deviating because you are not sticking to what has been factually said.
What was
You're
factually
not
said?
sticking
What
to
was
the
factually
fact
said?
That there is dodgy rum.
that there
No.
is dodgy rum going around.
Yeah.
But we already established that. We're talking about the ingredients.
Counterfeit.
Yeah, but
No,
we
but
we're
that is what you need to
speculating
stick
what
with.
the
You're-
ingredient is.
you're
So
going-
so
yeah,
a man
so-
gets sick, him go hospital, him father send a voice to say, yo, the people them say about these lamps like in my car.
Anybody could say that. That is.
Bro,
our point.
same like
Nobody
Korean
has
if
said-
same like Korean if
Nobody has said.
Hold on.
same like Korean if post them shit article half fight to chat foolishness. Anybody can say anything.
I think we're going to agree to disagree on this point. Brett has his point and he's standing firm with it.
This is ignorance, though. Sorry.
I was ignorant.
It's
I was ignorant.
It is what it is. But
I was ignorant when
Brett, that's your
Because you're
point.
willing
So
to
on,
run
so
with a
on,
narrative that
so
hasn't
on.
been proven.
Let me ask a question,
You're
yeah?
willing to run with
No-
a narrative that
All
isn't
right.
factual. It's
Let-
not been officially
let me ask a
declared
question.
that there
Well,
is
now
diesel.
crazy number.
People have said
We will
that it's
speak
diesel,
I'm
but
not-
they're neither officials, neither are they
So
scientists or anything
so
like
so
that.
me ask a question, yeah?
They're
You
not reputable sources.
Shem, so you get
Yeah.
sick, you go hospital. You're a toxicologist. I read it out. Toxicology report though. I saw though, yeah. Come,
Urine
Yeah.
tests,
yeah,
Yes,
come
yes.
back. Now let
Big
me
word.
finish. It come back and them say you're fine. Whatever in your blood.
In your
You
system.
come out now. Let's see. You come out and say, yo, the reason why I did sick are because of that. How factual is that? No. The man come out and say that's the reason.
Yeah.
Are you not
A
following
doctor
that?
tell the man that.
hold
Then
on.
do the
You're-
test.
you're
Yes.
listening
Doctor
to
tell him
respond,
that.
You're not listening
Eh?
to understand.
Doctor who?
You're listening to
No,
respond.
But you're doing the same because you're trying to dismiss what somebody.
No,
Say.
Brett.
Literally just
Stop.
said to
Just
you
listen
that
to understand,
anybody
bro.
can say-
Honestly.
Exactly. I said anybody can say anything unless a person posts like a picture of their official results, test results saying percentage. It's not for you.
It's
you
still
can't
hearsay.
necessarily- You got to exactly. It's still.
So why
hearsay.
would the man
It is not
randomly come
fact.
say that?
I mean,
Pardon me?
Who do randomly just come say me in the hospital, me sick and
Hello, Jamaicans. You don't know Jamaicans.
You know-
Listen,
I don't know Jamaicans like that.
come on.
we're go-
Yes,
true.
Let's
It's
see.
true.
So basically, you're discrediting.
People will say, oh,
How-
you know, Jamaicans stay, man. They will say, oh, this in a this. How much are this in a this or whatever. Do you
Hold on,
get what I'm
Carla.
saying? That's not uncommon.
Right, Chen, before you go, we're getting another call, but just plug Glow first, real quick.
Oh yes, guys. So Glow is out. It is gonna be your summer track. I'm a piano by myself and produced by DJ Master J.
Cool,
so
man,
it's
and-
available on all not social, what do you call it? All
Digital
streaming
platforms.
platforms.
Yeah, man,
Yes.
these in your
Streaming
system,
and
man.
all that good stuff.
So make sure it's on a listen, buy, and share, and follow Just Chem and the Steel City family for more, up forwarding events down that side over one pass.
Yes,
See?
we've got the Steel City weekend coming up.
Cool.
Bank holiday May, the last bank holiday May. So
Wow.
holla at me or anybody from the team to get your tickets.
No problem. Bless up yourself, sis, and we'll talk soon.
You need to get crazy and
Thank
see
you.
that.
Blessings, no problems.
Brett.
Bye.
Crazy.
Brits, calm time.
For the
I'm
caller
not
that
acting, bro. Bro,
Brits, hold up. People, today we are talking about gas. I don't know if it's Petcom,
oh
Shell,
my word.
BP, Esso, or Texaco.
For
we
the
are
exactly
talking about
fight,
gas.
but nobody need truth.
For the caller who was calling a while ago, I don't know if that was Mystic or Big Friend. You can forward back now,
But,
so we could have a conversation.
Brits, like, why everybody is not siding with you? Because, like,
Bro.
the Brits, hold on, Brits, relax now. You need to listen sometime. The makeup of these things
Just hold on for
is
us, please,
different.
caller.
Yeah, so that's why.
Good evening, caller. Go ahead, please.
Good evening.
Prince Akeem, walk on.
Yo, bread.
Bro, shut up, man.
You know, bread.
Wow.
You need to take sense out of nonsense, bro. These can't make rum, dog.
Did I say make rum? This ain't a problem. Let's not chat
Suppose
shit,
the
bro.
man did come out and say, yo, say, I God tell me, say, yo,
Bro,
drink the
bro.
diesel.
Just
You
listen,
believe-
bro. Listen. Go ahead, Prince Akeem.
Like, you have to pick sense out of nonsense. Just me say, like, and everything where you hear, you believe. Like, you have to make it make sense. Just like what Jagana say, yo, him know or rum mix, so him know, say, yo, it's
Certain
almost
processes.
impossible to use.
But, bro,
Just listen.
you're making counterfeit rum. You're making it your flipping way. That's the whole point I try telling you. Them are using them use to make it.
So are you?
Alright,
But you're
so-
saying that they're
earlier
using
we get
diesel.
the first caller up on the line, yeah? And you said the man say him got a doctor and him say diesel in him system.
Man, I never said that. I never said that at all.
That you say.
What did you
Me
say?
say the
That
doctor
is-
them said them obviously discover it obviously. Now, bro, we don't listen to that stop chat shit to me, bro.
Just
No,
repeat,
me
just
ask you,
repeat.
I'm asking
Braids, hold on. We're all having a conversation, first of all. So we could just have the
I diesel
conversation.
him over there drink.
Prince Akeem, ask your question first, please.
Yeah, so I'm saying, what did you say earlier about when the man went to the doctor visit?
If you don't listen, you don't know your fault.
Just can you just repeat it for the caller,
Say
for
the
the
man said them
listeners on
find
the live,
diesel
please?
like diesel in him system. That's why I'm sick and not calling for 2 days. That's what I said.
Okay. So did they say it was the diesel
I'm not the
come from
doctor.
rum,
I'm not the
or
doctor.
it come from something else?
Brother, the man say I run when him drink from it. Yo, listen to me, bro, yeah? That me say.
No, because
I missed
I
it,
listen
same
to
just
this
call.
same voice note.
We
Right.
can't play me
And-
them here.
And
Yeah, we can.
and hold
Yeah,
on.
play, please.
And the voice note that I listen, the man say, these in a rum, him never say doctor find diesel in him system. Him same drink the rum, boy, look at the mix it with diesel.
So all him knows it, Dragon, if this is not the rum,
Because
let-
as what just Chem said,
no,
press hold on the man,
no,
no,
let me finish
yeah,
now.
talk all night.
You,
Give him out a rest,
you
man.
just say, yeah, this is not the rum, him drink it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you go in him system, right? Doctor discovered the reason why you're not coming 2 days are because of that. So how the fuck you come with something different now? That's all he knows, bro.
All right.
That's why the man said, Pete, when I'm
Why get crazy at Panazay and
no,
phone,
we're
you know?
gonna further.
Yeah.
Try play voice
I'm,
note so we
I'm
can go
looking
on.
for the
We'll
voice
play the
note
voice
in
because-
the meantime.
You see,
Akeem, big up yourself. Big up
yourself, Empress.
No problem. Take care of
I
yourself.
think
Yeah?
I pick sense of that nonsense
Bye.
because
Yo,
this thing.
you can't call him.
All right,
Hold on a
Champagne
second.
Wayne is on the live. Champagne Wayne, me not know. Do you hear say the doctor tell crazy head say a diesel in the room? Me ask.
Find the voice note.
If the
We're
doctor tell
going to
crazy head
play
say
the
diesel.
voice note shortly.
Because crazy head just feels a diesel in it and then everybody just pick up this diesel.
Oh, you said the man feel. The man said they told him, bro.
Bad man, are two kind of diesel, me know, you know. You have a red one with tractor and truck and farm, something use. And you have regular diesel. And
Somebody say him sick
it's
for 2 days.
totally
He try to take
impo-
the piss of the person, bro. The man say
not
him for 2
because
days.
you're sick for 2 days,
The
brother.
man say him sick, I'm in a coma for 2 days. And that them tell him the reason why I was in a coma. You see me? And we are go by,
God.
I'm going by what was said. Me not say I miss it. Me I go by what was said. Una go by the narrative I say it can't be true. Me I go by where the man said all time own voice note. You see I'm forwarding from. And then the youth on the report say, them get some people, blah, 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 these and this and that and rare, yeah? Where he read off an article that was posted by the police, right? Because the man, I didn't have the credit that say
Article police, post by the police, say what? Say diesel was in the room.
everything he said, him read it. It wasn't him make it up. It's read from where I read.
Where is this article?
Listen to it on video you find
May
out.
I ask you,
Because
No, if you can tell us where the
he
article
said
is,
it,
we
he
can
said
bring it up.
that's what the police
Because
put out. The
no
statement.
no disrespect to crazy, but
bruv.
all what crazy say
I agree with you,
is
Ray
on
PG.
him own a card. There is no factual
agree.
proof or no evidence. Him just say something because I saw me feel because I want some things.
There's a really good
Jagan,
comment.
you can't dismiss
Hold,
the man thing,
hold,
bro.
hold on, Breds. Ray PGT said she just wants to know how so much people drink in the rum and there's only a handful of victims.
The man-
We all should be hospitalized if that's the case, because no sorry and if you white rum
The man bad
is
looking one.
Jamaicans rum. Pardon?
The man the bad looking one.
Out of everybody.
Yeah, so you go like,
Okay,
I say
cool.
go man, and everybody catch the
Uncle
same thing.
Ives, I don't
But
know
if I drink,
this audio file is gonna play.
if I drink little diesel bread, see, I
Uncle
can
Ivan.
guarantee.
Man, I care.
If I drink 1 cup of diesel,
Nah, no.
you're the hospital. So
You need
me
it,
no-
though.
well, I know. That's why I'm telling you this thing is not.
The
It's
man
not
chase the
factual.
diesel with that chaser.
We're
because
gonna take another call.
One person don't drink a bottle of rum.
Answer the call, please.
Caller, hold the line for us, please. Are you guys finished? Greetings, caller.
Yeah, so that's the first, you know.
Well, God, natural mistake.
Pork.
There, I know. There. Boy, me not lie. I don't know what gonna give Dragon for drink today. But give him the more next week, yeah?
Imagine Captain Morgan.
Oh my God.
Give him the more next week to us. Yo, you know what I'm saying, yeah? We all come from Jamaican stock. And we know how Jamaican people stay. Yeah? The fact that the man said he was in a coma for 2 days and sounds so fresh.
Right.
Even that alone supposed to show you.
You
It's
know,
a smidgen of exaggeration taking place.
the man probably put out his best foot forward for the proper voice note.
Listen to me. Me know people who sick and say, them no sleep a wink for y'all a week. Impossible. That's just how we stay. We are the most exaggerating people in the world. Only Nigerians come close. We love to exaggerate. Yeah? Like I said a while ago, my auntie used to say she have headache in her foot and she was being serious.
Headache in her foot?
Headache in her foot. She wasn't joking neither.
Mystic, we're gonna play the voice note from Crazy Head.
Hold the line.
Hold the line.
Man,
Just give it.
the man
Yeah.
So your auntie said, go on, but make we talking in the meantime. I was set things. So you say your auntie used to say she have headache in her foot, and what did she do?
And that's just how Jamaican.
And that's just how they express
Mystic,
themselves.
Mystic, yeah.
That's just how she expressed herself.
Right.
Mystic.
Hold on it, Brits. Yeah. What I'm gonna say is this: one, people are talking about, don't drink the English rum, drink the Jamaica one. Do you know how much fake rum is in Jamaica?
No, for that, the real
When I
rum.
was in Mobile last year, Mobile is not even my place. I said the missus come from, so they're on them place.
Yeah.
I was told there was more fake rum on the road
than
real rum. And what we was told was, if you're buying rum, go to Mega Mart or the reputable stores or go to duty free because they have their contract with the distillery. So if there's no rum, sometimes you go airport now and people tell you say there's no rum in the airport. Because if the factory don't have none to send to them, they don't have no rum.
Like with
So if it's a situation like that, the reputable places won't have. We're going to one bar. Yeah, I'm going to buy the rum. And from the open the rum and taste it, I know it's not real rum. You know what the bartender tell me?
Still drink it though.
It's the man that working at the bar. Bar 2727 on the hip strip in my bed. The man tell me, say, yeah, they're mixing the rum with raw alcohol to stretch it.
No, hold on, no Mystic. Me have to stop if.
That's what I'm just saying what the man told me. He said they're mixing it with raw alcohol.
Yeah.
But if you taste the rum, it's bitter.
But hold on, Mystic. Me have to stop it there
true.
because I know in Mobile
True.
and Senton, any parish where nearby Trelawney, we know that we can get the not the original bottle one. The one where them resemble what we call kulu rum. Where we can go down to a factory and carry a gallon bottle of rare and give them 2,000 and get one big bottle of rum. It make out of the same factory. Not saying it make with diesel as what brothers say or others material. Some of them just never pass test control.
No, but
that's why some of them taste bitter. And we know enough people are buckle them rum the long time. That's why in Jamaica.
That's different.
Hold on, brothers, let me talk.
You wouldn't call
Wait,
that.
let him finish.
Go on, talk. Reason.
You wouldn't call that fake rum. It's just that the company I gave you.
It's not the company I give you.
You buy from where you buy from then?
Yeah, I buy from one man the company, brother.
So ima
so
try
one man like the rum like the with that's way.
No.
And that's where I buy from.
Yeah,
I will call.
but at least the company make it
so
and they
if
go
you
wrong.
come from them,
but these men are making it from scratch with no education.
Where you come from? Where you come from?
Mars.
All right. One example touch pan we don't know.
I know the time is fast.
Yes.
We're going to play the voice note now. Mystic, stay on the line, and then we can have a quick chat. Yeah, go ahead.
Want to say big respect to all crew and bomb salute. This is Crazy Head speaking. You know I sick out for 6 days, 2 days in a coma in a Royal London hospital by drinking fake white rum mixed with diesel. After Friday night, I have a drink in my house, pass out. Saturday night, I wake up in a Royal London hospital. I wake up, I have drip to my left hand and drip to my right hand. Oxygen mask, bare wire string up all over my body. And the doctor, them do them work. When them come back to me, the conclusion, the rum I drink mixed with diesel oil. And a month, I drink rum, and I notice this taste of diesel. If it not taste of diesel, it's bitter. So right now, I urge everybody, every single one of my brothers in the fraternity, Boycott white rum, cause there's a batch of fake rum I go round. Me do my research, it me come out, you know. Me talk to Goldfinger, me talk to Dan Bass. Right now, my best friend Bandy from 13 sick out.
All right, so
So that
Missy
is
still there?
yeah, Mystic is
Mystic.
still with us, right?
Yeah, but
Oh.
we never hear it though.
Oh, you didn't hear it.
Listen to you, don't worry.
I've heard
You've
the
heard-
voice now. I've heard the voice now, but
Right.
I didn't hear it just then when you played it.
All right, do
Right.
you realize what the man say, yeah? As I'm just saying at the studio, yeah? The man saying it string up like a clothespan line,
Right.
yeah? Tests are run, and them fall back with the conclusion say, are from the room. Mystic said earlier, if you're sick and got a coma, you have a couple days where you still sick. No, the man said 6 days.
He
Yeah?
he was ill for 6 days.
6 days.
Yeah.
Then him say, I drink the rum for a minute. This is the part when no, me gonna say,
Couple months. But him always a drink rum.
no, but for a minute, I mean that,
This
yeah.
is- yeah.
This is the
If
part.
anybody know crazy,
The
crazy
part
always
where I
a
say,
drink
no,
rum.
yeah, you're drinking something for all long. I now taste of it taste, and you still a drinking. So it's not a 1 hour drinking make him sit then, and the build up of it end up make him reach where him reach. The man, I take female feet, because him in the hospital.
Right.
Man, and if you show me no proof or something, I know which man that's so wicked for come out and try this Jamaica national top shelf. You see me? So when me I say about the diesel situation, nobody know why it was in the conversation. There's stuff where we make any sort of stuff where by itself it might be hazardous. But we all the professional them do it, them take it and leave it. Just like the sugar cane and the cane them use them take what they want the cane for do what they want to do with other stuff.
boy,
That's
you
all
done
I'm
back the
saying.
fuckery again.
No,
No,
if you never
it
in it,
just-
if it was
just-
in it, just be
yeah.
quiet, please, bro.
Yeah.
Me hear the conversation.
Just
No,
continue,
listen,
continue, birds.
So we still don't know why that was in play. That's the part where everybody said these are. But you don't know whether if it was explained to you, and you finally say, oh my, all of a sudden now you say shit. That what them do. The point me make is say them man go to them way for make fake room with all them equipment here.
Right.
Just make an own room for yourself and get the license though. So the thing is that they want to make fake rum. Anything I make fake to the original, not got the original ingredients. They might find something for beef up. Just when you up on the road, ask any man up on the road, them get what them get and them throw upon it and stamp it and stretch it.
Yeah.
And
See
that's
me?
what that's
Yeah.
what we have been saying for a while.
That's what we are saying. But just because of time's sake, let's wrap up this
Yeah,
topic.
can-
Yeah, we're gonna wrap
because
it up.
Obviously,
We're gonna be on it for
because
a while.
Bird is being so foolish. I feel like tonight is the night where you demote him, want to take back the Jamaican citizenship.
Well, yes.
Before you
I want,
do that,
hold on now. I want to put this
Hold on
question
there.
out there.
But can I make one more talk before I cut off?
Yeah.
my voice?
Yeah,
no,
that's
no,
what-
no, no, me step on the line for that one. Step on the line for that
See,
one.
Mystic, stay on the line for this one, yeah? That's why.
Okay.
So,
the right
all right.
person.
So, because of Bird's foolishness, what we say we're going to demote him, we want to take back the Jamaican citizenship, right? So, I want to put this question out there to ask everyone.
that more no to Miss Ray.
What
PT.
does it take for you to be Jamaican? Do you have to born in Jamaica?
No. Don't
Hold on.
leave that's that. No,
Hold
no,
on,
no.
no.
Don't. Hey, Judge, you lead the people. Just say.
What do you take to be
What
Jamaican?
does it take to be a Jamaican?
What do you take to be a
R.
Jamaican? Yeah.
What
Put
make
like
you a
so.
Jamaican?
What make you a Jamaican?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's it. Don't give them a
Mystic-
leading.
Okay. People
Yeah.
who
Yes.
are people who are in the comments on the live, share your pointers in the comment section and then we'll read them out. Mystic, you're on the line. You can answer the question for us. What makes you a Jamaican?
Can I just inquire, is this question based off of the girl that did the TikTok?
No.
No. Has nothing to do with
Okay.
her.
Because there's been I've seen a number of videos.
I don't see video. I don't see the TikTok
At
video.
least I don't know what TikTok video you're referring to.
Yeah,
This
there's
is
a
just
few
general
videos-
conversation.
Where people, there's a few videos where, like, you have a girl from, where she sounds very English to me, but she's saying, if you're not born in Jamaica, then you're not a Jamaican. You have a one from Nigeria, if you're not born in that. There's
No.
a few videos of that going around.
No.
And me
Your
personally,
opinion.
Oh, your opinion, yeah.
Put it this way, my opinion is this, yeah? There is no black person who's English. There is no black person who is British, yeah? That is a citizenship. But when you talk about heritage, none of us ain't of here. In the same way, you have Chinaman in Jamaica that has been there for years and we still call them Mr. Chin. We still give credence to where they come from, yeah? So to me, if your heritage is Jamaican, then you have the right to classify yourself.
So hold
as a
on there.
Jamaican.
So hold on there now. So like so my kids them now, right?
Right.
Who they are mixed, yeah? They're born here, but I'm Jamaican, yeah? But yet still, they're still not look up on as a English, as a full English. They still look up as Black Caribbean. So just like what Jamaica, like if a white man live down there for 50 years, or a Chinaman, as we said before, we still don't look upon them as a proper Jamaican, because at the end of the day, they're not in touch with our culture, our roots. Them still talk Chinese, them still no part with, them still no mix with we. Them just do for them business for them thing and fucking at them family, cause remember Jamaica, you know, it's very rare you see a black man take one Mr. Chin daughter and fuck it and marry it and get one pitney. Very rare. You know, happen often.
Mystic.
So how can that make you a Jamaican because you're born somewhere?
Mystic. You answer the question with the foreign answer. We're not talking who live here.
We're talking
about
living
in Jamaica. When we
Oh,
say,
in Jamaica.
why you have to qualify for you to be a Jamaican? In a
To be
Jamaica.
You have to be, all right, hear my thing now. Because Africa, my thing there, you know. So you have to be a descendant of the native, either the native people or the people that was brought there and created a Jamaican culture.
But that means they're not Jamaican, they're Africans.
They are. You know why?
If you go down the route there, enough people from other places, English or German.
That's not the first. Hold on there. All right. One of our first lady, first national hero, yeah,
Miss Maroon.
is Danny of the Maroon, yeah. So she not Jamaican.
Mystic?
So Nanny of the Maroon, you say?
Was she born in Jamaica?
Mystic, we've lost you. Credit done.
Yeah, man, credit done.
Them
You hear me?
Yeah, go ahead. You chip out a while ago. Repeat that for us.
Nanny of the Maroons. Is she not a Jamaican?
Was she born in Jamaica?
Nanny, me not know.
No.
No, she was taken there.
If you know, all right. No,
born in Jamaica.
no, she's not, because you gotta go the same.
Where Nanny
concept.
come from?
That's where Ghana she come from.
Eh?
Ghana Nanny come from.
Hold on. Does it say in any history book?
It's not
Me-
stated,
wo-
but she
hold on
wasn't
now.
born in Jamaica.
Hold on.
Regardless,
Oh,
all right.
where's me talking about
Alright,
that?
talk,
Have the
talk,
commanders no?
talk.
Jesus Christ.
That one
She
ain't not
wasn't
going.
born in Jamaica, bro.
Let me
one
ask this question.
One ain't not going, Jagan.
Does it state in any book where Nanny came from? We know they say black people do not originate from Jamaica. Black African people with our skin complexion and our ear texture does not originate from there. But do you guys know whether Nanny come from Nigeria, Ghana, or wherever? More know which book it was in.
According
Brother,
to
according to what
Google,
I've read and studied, she came from the
Ghana.
Ashanti tribe of Ghana.
That's what I was
Yeah.
told as well, yes.
and she's
That's
born
what
in
I read.
1686.
I've studied all my life, the Ashanti tribe of Ghana.
So,
The
there's
point
the
is
answer.
this, though. Let me just make this point here.
Yeah.
Because we have this thing about Indians. Yeah, and the Indians weren't there first. What
Right.
used to happen was you had people that was traveling the world in search of India and were getting lost. So you have the American
Arawak.
Indian. You have the Arawak Indian. You have the Aboriginal Indian. Then just call everybody Indian everywhere they went, because they couldn't go back to where they came from and said they got lost. Yeah?
Right.
The original people that was in Jamaica before came from Africa. African in the place that we call Jamaica is Africans that was there.
Oh, yeah, to me.
Which part of Africa? I don't specifically know. But I know that the West Africans came in through the slave trade.
slave
So
trade, yes.
Africa, they don't have...
And all on there and built a culture that we now know as Jamaican
Jamaica.
culture.
Or Jamaica
Yeah, but-
first.
Different tradition. All
Mystic.
on there. You have the
Mystic.
Ashanti people, you have the Shango people, you
Mystic,
have the,
I have to stop it right there because we are straight off topic. We are talking about what make you Jamaican. We're not talking about slavery. It's not Black History Month at quite yet.
And he answers the question.
Yeah.
And
So
the descendants
so
of the original people are the descendants of our ancestors who were brought there, who created what we call a Jamaican culture.
yeah.
Right.
So-
And
Right.
Let's,
So, Brett,
let's
So
read.
no white, no
real
Chinese
quick.
out there, no white person out there, no Indian out there, none of them not Jamaican.
So-
I don't care how far them go back. Bustamante is not a Jamaican.
So, hold on.
Mali is not a Jamaican. None of them.
So hold on, real quick. Let me just pose this question to Brett. For like the second and third generation of Caribbean kids who was born here, raised here, is it fair to say they are not English? Just like I always say, people who are not born and bred and their heritage in Jamaica is not Jamaican.
No, dog.
Is it safe to say the same thing?
It's
Brett, would you agree or
yes or
disagree?
no?
I'm not agreeing.
You're not agreeing.
Yeah. What would you classify to? Who would you classify to be a Jamaican?
Somebody were born there.
So anybody born there.
And listen,
So if a white
Well,
man
let
and
me-
one...
Let him
finish.
answer the question.
Yeah.
Give him a start. And then we're going to wrap this up because time
if
is
you
going.
go on me forward here, my son born here, wherever the background is from, it doesn't matter. The land when born upon are England. If they want to say you're British or English, it don't really make a difference right now because you're born in Yasso. You grow in Yasso. You inherit whatever culture them have, Yasso.
But
Yeah,
do you
let me
inherit the
finish,
Let him
bro.
finish. Let him finish.
Every people who born here grew up like an English or British youth. That's facts.
Disagree.
Every one of them were born here. You could
Not true.
listen to me finish. You could have tried inbred your them take on board with them parents teach them, yes. But when them go to school at other place, them born in one country where it's the first world country, they used to the first world life.
You're exposed to different
Yeah.
things. but
Yeah,
you don't
that's
sit
no.
down.
Learning
It's the same
style
thing.
from the home, bro.
If you as a white man live in England, go a picnic in Africa, and him grew up, even privilege or not, him a grow up as where him from, and the industry and the culture where him in.
Right.
Him a go like food where he wouldn't like if he live in England.
Quick interjection. See, you say if them go to school and see anything, them take on to that.
I never
So,
said school, but go on.
hold on our outside in our world. So, when you pick the go to school and learn about the gay and something, that means that them gay because them go learn about it, so them take it on and them go see gay and Batman.
Bro,
So, you are contradicting your blood
Bro,
class
bro,
self
this-
there.
this-
So, that's why I'm telling you.
this
say,
no, stop. This
they go to see different thing and have different outlook to life.
This you swerve left.
But no, I'm about
No,
swerve.
Hold
No,
on,
listen.
let him
You
get the
swerve left, I'm
reverse
can't
one.
say it for you.
Yeah.
Last 20 seconds, Brett.
A youth born in Jamaica. Miss it. Well, I
Yes,
say,
yes, Mr.
a
Give us
youth
a
born in
second.
Jamaica, not now, back in the day, whatever his color them is, them a go against being gay, right? Over here, it's like, okay, you and me and me. They
It's
don't
not
care.
going against.
No, let me
Let
finish,
him
bro.
finish, All-Star.
Back in the day, Jamaica was more gay-phobic than now. So that couldn't fly at Jamaica. What we call it is, you're growing our culture, we say, yo, that wrong, so you adapt that.
Right.
Can you see you're born? Over here, when you're born here, you adapt to where the narrative is.
No, I
Bro,
disagree.
listen, you adapt to the narrative, even for the one where some people are like, there's something over here where you that make go, we would make go to Jamaica if you're born there. There's nothing over here where you do, you wouldn't do a Jamaica same way.
Okay.
And it's facts.
That's your point. Natural Mistake, ask a question and then we're going to wrap up this segment, please.
Yeah, first time I say Africa, my thing there, you know. So I answer to Africa.
We know that already, Maji.
You ever go to Africa yet?
Mystic, you ever go Africa?
Don't you say the same
But
thing.
no,
you ever-
of course.
Okay.
But, yeah,
Who's
and
over there go?
What's my secret now?
Yeah.
So, Brett, I was born in a European country called Spain. So should I go and get my citizenship? Because I'm Spanish then, by your logic.
No, I didn't say that. I said born and raised. Raised mean you grew there for a number of years, bro. How long you say a Spain for?
I don't
2
not
weeks.
many, but
See,
by-
that's why I
Okay,
said.
sir.
That's why I
but
said.
America,
No.
Jamaica, been to England,
No.
so
No.
we support it
I
now.
said.
Hold on, let him
But us
finish.
confused.
No, I said, yeah, clearly, born and raised. Raised meaning you grew up in a society where it is what it is. You see me?
So
Only
so
thing,
let's-
only
hold on
thing,
there, hold on there, Brett. So the person who born in Spain and leave Spain when they all right. My cousin was born at Holland. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
he's born in Holland and left there when he was 9 years old.
Right.
Okay, he's what 20?
man a Dutch dog. Man a Dutch, bro.
He's Dutch.
Can I learn Dutch, right?
You know, I'm not
Was
saying-
one Dutch part.
Hold on. Did you learn Dutch? Can you speak the language?
Eh?
Can you speak the language?
So what?
Yeah,
Wait. Hold on.
All right. When they say they school him, so him grew up, bro. This is what I'm trying to say. If you're born between 0 and 4, you still just clinch into your parent. But when you go to the society and start learning stuff by yourself as a youth, that's you taking the culture.
If you see him, remember one, if you see him and call him Dutch,
Imarcos.
Him
he
could,
might rearrange your ball.
bro,
All right.
bro, no,
We're going to wrap up.
no, hold on. Him could have deal.
I'm gone.
Yo,
Big up yourself,
him could have
Mystic.
deal. The point we make last week is this, yeah. No matter your culture, race, or creed, eh? If you're born in a country, not your parents are forward there. They're not Jamaican or they're not English or whatever, yeah. Like me live here for 21 years, yeah. That's basically me drink for 14 years. I'm living for 21 years.
So you're English then?
No, because
You live here
no,
most of your life?
No. Listen,
You're here most of your
the
life.
important part of my life, well, embedded in me, was in Jamaica.
What was that when you was 14? Hold
Bro.
on. Hold on now. Let me just dissect this real quick, right? I'm going to dissect it real quick.
Go on.
So the first 3 years of your life, you was an infant, so that don't really count.
Yeah.
Most people don't have no recollection up until 3-year-old when they turn adults, right?
Mm-hmm.
So forget that. So basically, 11 years of your life you spend at Jamaica, right?
And at 11 years,
Hold on, no. Let me finish.
go on.
So you spend 11 years of your life when you was a, what you call it, infant to a child.
Yeah.
Seeing? So at that point in your life, you have no control over how anything happen or anything goes. Seeing? Out of that 11 year we have spent at Jamaica. So in terms of culture or whatever, you have no control over that. Seeing? You spend 21
20 seconds, All-Star.
years over here for your adult, and you tell me, say, the 11 years old you spend at Jamaica make you Jamaican because you're born down there?
Bro, from 0,
20 seconds.
from
You're
0.
more English than Jamaican
listen,
right
listen.
now.
From 0 to 14, food, language, style of living, what you learn, to 14, yeah? What I do over here now, I offer the back of what I do at Jamaica and learn at Jamaica.
Yeah,
Because
but
of
you
what?
can
Because
still
of
be
your
born here
parents.
and learn
No,
Because
because
of your parents.
exactly
It's
that
not-
lived in
it's not on
Jamaica
your
with
accord.
that live in Jamaica with me. That's the point I'm saying.
We're gonna
they
disagree.
instill the culture where them live in a Jamaica, in their kids. So when my father England at 14, me now have to say, yo, what's my identity? Because I know who I am.
Yeah, but
I'm a no. When you come at Jamaica,
Birds,
when I leave, let me finish, please.
this is
Ca-
your last 2 seconds.
Because when you not talk, me couldn't talk.
No, 2
when,
seconds.
When you come
Wrap
at,
it up.
when I leave,
Are you talk one
when
night,
you
you know?
leave a country between 0 and 5, you still not recollect because you not even go school start learn ABC properly.
Right.
Between
Cool.
5 and 14 or 13, you start learning nothing. You start learning the national anthem, whatever it is. You see me? So when no matter about being in Jamaica, the point was I'm trying to make to me, the color don't really matter. Because if you live in Jamaica as a white man, I have 3 generations of line forward and live in Jamaica and grow. And if you live at 18, they grow most of them life, learning a culture where them know and go back to them native land, go live. But when them learn, to go back there, is Jamaican. And them
Okay.
learn to speak Jamaican.
And
They
that-
might speak Pasha, but at the same thing.
And that's Brett's point. Ladies and gentlemen,